ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। You can repeat now. Aiyun Riluk Aong Ai Ouj Hayavarat Lun Nyamangananam Jabhai Ghadadash Jabagadash Khapa Chatata Chatatau Kapai Shashasar Hal. These are called Nageshwara Sutras. We'll discuss about this later. At this point, I want you to just memorize this and chant this. Okay, let us quickly do this. Akarantaha Pullingaha Rama Shabdaha. Ramaha Ramo Ramaha. Hari Harayaha. Guru Guravaha. Pitarau Pitaraha. Kartarau Kartaraha. Yeshaha Etau Ete. Ayam Imau Ime. Saha Tau Te. Kaha Kau Ke. All these are Pullinga Shabda. I'm not saying it, we know it. Right? All these are Pullinga Shabda and the declensions. Okay, we'll move on. So Pullinga is enough today. And you can chant Rama Shabda and Hari Shabda, you can do it. उकारन्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रामशब्दः
रामः रामौ रामाः
रामः रामो रामाः
रामं रामौ रामान्
रामं रामो रामान्
रामेण रामाभ्यां रामैः
रामेण
रामाभ्यां रामैः
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामाय रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामात् रामाभ्यां रामेभ्यः
रामस्य रामयोगो रामाणाम्
रामस्य रामयोगो रामाणाम्
रामे रामयोगो रामेषु
रामे रामयोगो रामेषु
हे राम हे रामौ हे रामाः
हे रामो हे रामाः
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः हरिशब्दः
इकारान्तः
पुल्लिङ्गः हरिशब्दः
हरिः हरि हरयः
हरिः
हरयः
हरिं हरि हरीन्
हरीन्
हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरिभिः
हरिणा हरिभ्यां हरिभिः
हरये हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
हरये हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः
हरेः हरिभ्यः
हरेः हर्योः हरीणाम्
हरेः
हर्योः हरीणाम्
हरौ हर्योः हरिषु
हरौ हर्योः हरिषु
हे हरे हे हरि हे हरयः
हे हरे हे हरि हे हरयः
Then, उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुशब्दः
उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः गुरुशब्दः
गुरुः गुरु गुरवः
गुरवः
गुरुं गुरु गुरून्
गुरुन्
गुरुणा गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः
गुरुणा गुरुभ्यां गुरुभिः
गुरवे गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः
गुरवे गुरुभ्यः
गुरोः गुरुभ्यां गुरुभ्यः गुरोः गुरुवोः गुरूणाम् गुरौ गुरुवोः गुरुषु हे गुरु हे गुरु हे गुरवः
हे गुरु हे गुरवः
Now we'll take some ikaranta shabda, try to chant that. So this somebody asked this ukaranta shabda, this Vishnu shabda. Okay, you can repeat after me. The same thing I'll do Vishnu shabda. Somebody asked, that's why I'm doing this. Ukarantaha pullingaha Vishnu shabdaha. विष्णुः विष्णु विष्णवः
विष्णुः विष्णु विष्णवः
विष्णुं विष्णु विष्णून्
विष्णुं विष्णून्
विष्णुना विष्णुभ्यां विष्णुभिः
विष्णुना विष्णुभिः
विष्णवे विष्णुभ्यां विष्णुभ्यः
विष्णवे
विष्णुभ्यां
विष्णुभ्यः
विष्णोः विष्णुभ्यां विष्णुभ्यः
विष्णोः विष्णुभ्यां
विष्णुभ्यः
विष्णोः विष्णुवोः विष्णूनां
विष्णोः
विष्णोः
विष्णूनां
विष्णौ विष्णुवोः विष्णुषु. Manjulaji, your mic is making noise. That's why I'm muting it. Okay. Hey Vishnu, hey Vishnu, hey Vishnavah.
हे विष्णु हे विष्णु हे विष्णवः.
So your mic, you see, if there is any movement, that movement can, the noise can be heard. So if that movement is not there, you can keep your mic unmute. Otherwise, mute. Any slight movement that can be heard through the mic.
Okay, Guruji.
You can keep it unmute, provided there is no noise. Okay, now, Girijaji, you
Yes,
can
Guruji.
chant this Shabda. You can see the screen.
Yeah,
Kavi
Kavi,
Shabda
Kavi.
Muni, yeah. Kavi Shabda you can chant. Kavi is Ikaranta Shabda.
All vibhaktis, you mean?
Yes, all the Vibhakti. You have Ikaranta Shabda with you. Hari Shabda.
Yep.
Take Hari Shabda with you. Otherwise, I can show you on the screen.
Yes, please, if you can.
Kavi is a Shabda. So these Shabdas are very important. Therefore, it's worth spending time on memorizing this Shabda now. The right time. Beginning it only.
Yeah.
Okay. So Hari Shabda.
Kavi. Yeah.
Yes, you can do.
इकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः कविशब्दः कविः कवि कवयः कवीं कवी कवीन् कवीणा कविभ्यां कविभिः कवय कवये कविभ्यां कविभ्यः कवेः कविभ्यां कविभ्यः कवेः कव्येषु कवीणां कवौ कव्येषु कवीषु
Kavyoh. Okay.
कव्योः
Kavyoh.
कव्योः
Kavishu.
कवीषु कविषु
Yes.
हे कवि
Hey
हे
Kave.
कवे हे कवि हे कवयः.
Yes. Next person. Kausalyaji. You can take the Shabda. Muni. Muni Shabda.
Okay. Munihi, Muni, Munayaha, Muni, Muni, Munin, Munina, Munibhyam, Munibhihi, Munaye, Munibhyam, Munibhyaha, Munehi, Munibhyam, Munibhyaha.
Your noise is there. It's a sign. Mic.
No, Guruji.
There is even the laptop or where you place is shaken.
Somebody
That's
else's
noise. Huh?
Somebody else's
Okay.
background noise.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Please continue.
Muni, okay. Munehe, Munibhyam, Munibhyaha, Munehe, Munyoho. Is
Yes.
it correct?
Yes.
Munyoho, Muninam, Munau, Munyoho, Munishu. He Mune, He Muni, He Munayaha.
Yes. Next person. Ram Kumarji. You can take the Shabda Rishi.
Okay, Guruji. Rishi, Rishihi,
Ikarantaha.
Ikarantaha, Pullinga, Rishi Shabdaha, ऋषिः ऋषि ऋषयः ऋषीं ऋषि
Rishim. Not
ऋषिं
Rishim. Rishim.
sorry हाँ ऋषिं ऋषि ऋषीन् ऋषीणां ऋषिभ्यां ऋषिभिः ऋषये ऋषिभ्यां ऋषिभ्यः ऋषेः ऋषिभ्यां ऋषिभ्यः ऋषेः ऋषेः ऋषयोः
No,
ऋषि
Rishayoho. Rishyoho.
ऋष्योः sorry ऋषेः ऋष्योः ऋषीणां ऋषौ ऋषयोः
Rishyoho.
ऋष्योः ऋषु ऋषिषु is it correct Guruji ऋषु
Rishisho. Yes.
ऋषिषु right हे ऋषे हे ऋषि हे ऋषयः
Yes. And the next person. Mekalaji.
Yes.
You can
Namaste,
do.
Guruji.
Namaste. You can do the Ukaranta Shabda, Guru Shabda.
Ukarantah.
No, not Guru Shabda. I'll give some Shabda.
Pullinga.
Not Guru Shabda. I'll give some Shabda. Okay.
Okay.
You can do the same Ikaranta Shabda. Ikaranta, another Shabda is be useful for others also. Atiti Shabda.
Atiti.
Yeah, Atiti means
Okay.
guest.
Guest.
The tongue twister. That's why
Okay.
I can do it.
Ikarantah pullingah atiti shabdah atitihi atithi atithyah
Atitayaha.
I'm sorry.
Atitayaha. Harihi.
Atitayah.
Hari. Harayaha. Atitihi. Atithi. Atitayaha.
Atitayah. Atithim. Ati.
Atiti.
Athin. Atithi. Athin. Atithin.
Yes.
Atithin.
Yeah.
Athina. Atibhyam.
No, not
Atibhi.
Atina. Atitina. Because the Pratipadikam is Atiti. Don't forget that. Pratipadikam is Atiti is a
Atitina.
Pratipadikam. Yes.
Atitina. Atibhyam.
Atitibhyam.
Atitibhyam. Atitibhihi.
Yes.
Atataye.
Atitaye.
Atitibhyam.
Atitaye.
Atitibhyah.
Now say it again.
Atitaye.
Hmm.
Atitaye.
Hmm.
Atitibhyam. Atitibhyah.
Yes.
Atitaye. Atitibhyam.
What is that?
Atitibhyah.
Atitehe.
Atitehe. Atitibhyam. Atitibhyah.
Yes.
Atitehe. Atiteyoho.
No.
Atitinam.
No. Watch what you say. Haryoho is what will happen to Atiti? Hari becomes Haryoho. Atiti will become what? Same simple thing.
Atitayoho.
What happened to Hari? Same thing will happen to Atiti also. What happened to Hari? The last E is gone and replaced by Yoho, Haryoho. The same thing you have to do for Atiti.
Atitayoho.
How can be Atitayoho? E is there, you remove it. Atityoho.
Atitayoho.
Not Atitayoho. Atityoho.
Yeah, there's no E. There is Atitayoho.
Atityoho.
Atityoho.
Yes. Atityoho, not Atitayoho. Atityoho. Atiti, that E has to go. Atit, then Yogo is added. Atityoho. Right?
Because there are two E's in this. There
So
is
what?
one in the front.
Don't bother about
No,
what the previous E. The
Okay.
last E only you have to
Okay,
bother.
yes.
So Ati
Okay.
will remain as
Atiti-
Ati. Atityoho.
Okay.
You don't need to
Atitehe.
bother how many E's are there, how many Akaras are there. That's not concerned. The last Ikara alone undergoes changes.
Okay. Atitehe. Atitiyoho.
No. Atityoho.
Atitiyoho. Atityoho.
Yes.
Atitinam.
Okay.
Atityoho. Atityo.
Yes. Atityau.
Atityoho. Atitishu.
Yes.
He atithe. He atiti. He atityaha.
Atitayaha.
Atityaha.
Atitayaha.
He atityaha. Atityaha. Atityaha.
Replace E by Ayaha. Hari becomes
Ayaha.
Arayaha. Atite will become Atitayaha. Any difficulty in this? Practice.
It
You
is
need
a
to
tongue
practice.
twister.
That's why I gave the Shabda Atiti to do. All of you practice this Atiti Shabda. It's a good Shabda. Where you make mistake, you watch there and correct that. Atityoho. Generally, a focus will go to the previous E. Why do you bother about previous E? We never talked about it. Only the last Ikara only undergoes changes. That only you have to
Yes.
see. Whatever precedes it will
Yes.
remain as it is. Nothing will happen. Okay, the next
Yes.
person, Manjulaji. You can do this Shabda. Ukaranta Shabda for Ripu.
Ripu, Guruji. उकारान्तः पुल्लिङ्गः रिपुशब्दः रिपुः रिपू रिपवः रिपुं रिपू रिपून् रिपुणा रिपुभ्यां रिपुभिः रिपवे रिपुभ्यां रिपुभ्यः रिपोः रिपुभ्यां रिपुभ्यः रिपुभो रिपोः रिप्वोः रिपूनां रिपौ रिप्वोः रिपुषु हे रिपो हे रिपू हे रिपवः.
Yes.
Guruji,
Yeah.
I have a doubt with this Mrityu Shabdaha.
What Shabda?
Mrityu.
Yeah.
Mrityu. It's Mrityuhu, Mrityu, Mritavaha or Mritvaha?
How can be Mritavaha?
Mritvaha.
No. Mrityuhu, Mrityu. Mrityu is Shabda.
Okay.
Mrityavaha. That's all.
Mrit-
Mrityu. The last
Yeah.
O is replaced by
Okay,
Avaha.
okay.
Mrityavaha.
Okay, Guruji. Okay.
Right.
Then it's Mrityum, Mrityu, Mrityun,
Yes.
Mrityuna, Mritubhyam,
Mrityubhyam.
Mrityubhihi.
Mrityubhi. Yeah. Yes.
Okay. I had a doubt.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
The next person. You can do the Shabda Manyu. Kamakshiji. Manyu Shabda.
But Guruji, I had a question. Mrityu is a verb, isn't it?
Mrityu is not a verb.
No.
Mrityu
No,
means
not
death.
a verb.
It's
Yes.
It's not a verb. How do you say it's a verb?
I thought, died is a verb, is it?
Oh, Mrityu means death.
Die. Death.
Okay.
Okay.
Now I understand
Thank
what the
you.
doubt is. Mrityu means death. It's a noun. Okay.
Thank you.
As a verb, it is different. It is mridatu. We will see. Mridatu, mriyate, and all will come. That is, see, a verb will have these suffixes, either ti, te, and all. We will see that. We are going to see later. So here, mrityu is pratipadikam. It's a noun.
Thank you.
Okay. Yes. You can do now. The next Shabda, Kamakshiji.
I think Shabdam
Sorry?
Man
Manyu. Yeah, Manyu Shabda.
Manyuhu, Manyavaha, Manyun, Manyuna, Manyubhyam, Manyubihi, Manyave, Manyubhyam, Manyubhyaha, Manyoho, Manyubhyam, Manyubhyaha, Manyoho, Manvoho, Manyunam, Manvo, Manvoho, Manushu, Manvo.
Not Manvoho. It is Manyu becomes Manyoho. Man, Yakara and Vakara. If Yakara sound also is there. Manyo. Yo. It's difficult to say it. Yes.
Ye Manyo, Ye Manyu, Ye Manyavaha.
Yes. Okay. Which lesson we are doing in this?
We came up to page 93, Guruji, Abhyas 33.
Page number 93.
Page number 93, Abhyas 33. We are using the words when a question is there, yes or no. Yes, it is a tree.
Yes.
No, it.
And na. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
This is the one, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Starting from.
Rishi, Guruji, what is Gulmaha, Guruji?
Okay.
Oh, Gulma.
Ah,
Okay. Gulma, let me check.
okay, Guru.
What Gulma comes. I also didn't see that. Let me see the. I'll tell you at the end of the class.
Okay, Guruji.
So now Giriyaji can read Abhyasa number 33. I think we have not read this, right?
No, we haven't yet.
Yes. So question is that just small information. If question is there, Kim will be added at the beginning. If you add Kim at the beginning, the question will expect the answer either yes or no. Either yes or no will be the answer. Kim. If you add at the beginning, Kim is Avyaya. Okay. Kim is Wilma is Bush. Okay. Wilma is
Okay, Guruji.
Bush. That's got many meanings. One is Bush. Other one is the battalion is also called Wilma. Depends on the context. We have to take the meaning. Okay. Anyway, so now we can read Girijaji.
Yes, Guruji. Kim Esha Gulmaha Na Esha Vruksha.
Yes,
Kim.
Gulma is Bush. Here we can take Bush.
The bush. So it is saying no,
Yes,
it is
yes,
not.
Guruji.
Yeah.
Kim Esha Simha. Esha Simhaha.
Hmm.
Kim Etau Kapotau. This is the Dvitiya Vibhakti. That's why Etau and Kapotau. Na Etau Mayurau. Kim Etani Vimanani. Na Etani Lokavahanani. Kim Ete Dvichakre. Am Ete Dvichakre. Kim Esha Sammarjanani. Guruji, here it can be Sammarjani or it can be Marjani. So we can just take any one of them.
Again, what is it? Some margini is there.
The one, Sammarjani is similarly Marjani. Both are brooms. One is like a brush and the other one is like a broom. So can I just say that yes, this is a broom?
Yeah, this is a broom only. Yes, margini, some margini, both mean the same. Some is the prefix, which doesn't change the meaning much. So it's okay. Yeah.
Because in the lesson somewhere in the previous things, they have shown one as Sammarjani and the other one as Marjani. That's why I got confused.
You can take it the same. No problem. Marjani is.
Okay. Kim Esha Sammarjani Am Esha Sammarjani. Kim Ete Shukaha Na Ete Bakaha. Kim Ete Pustake Am Ete Pustake. Kim Etau Hastau Na Etau Padau. Kim Etani Phalani Na Etani Patra.
Okay. Next person now. Kausalya ji. Now we are using the Kriya Padam here. Asti Staha Santi.
Kim
Kriya Padam.
किम् एषः वृक्षः अस्ति आम् एषः वृक्षः अस्ति किं सः मयूरः अस्ति न सः मयूरः नास्ति सः शुकः अस्ति किम् एषः कपोतः अस्ति आम् एषः कपोतः अस्ति किं सः शौचिकः अस्ति शौचिकः अस्ति आम् सः शौचिकः अस्ति
Yeah.
किम् एषः वैद्यः अस्ति, न एषः वैद्यः नास्ति, एषः अध्यापकः अस्ति। किं सः सैनिकः अस्ति? आम्, सः सैनिकः अस्ति। किम् एषः रुग्णः अस्ति? न एषः रुग्णः नास्ति, एषः स्वस्थः अस्ति।
अस्ति।
किं सः रजकः अस्ति? न सः रजकः नास्ति, सः नापितः अस्ति।
So we know the meaning now. Rugnaha means the deceased. Swastaha means the healthy person. Rajakaha is the washerman. Is he a washerman? No. Saha napitaha. Barber. Okay. So these words you can note. The next person. Ram Kumarji, you can read next one. Ram Kumarji, are you there? Okay, next person, Mekala, you can read.
No, Guruji, I'm there. I'm there,
Okay.
Guruji. Kim Esha Kalika Asti? Na Esha Kalika Nasti, Esha Lata Asti. Kim Sa Darvi Asti? Na Sa Darvi Nasti, Sa Chalani Asti. Kim Esha Lekhani Asti? Na Esha Lekhani Nasti, Esha Ankani Asti. Kim Sa Gruhagodika Asti? Am Sa Gruhagodika Asti.
Yeah.
Kim Esha Mayuri Asti? Am Esha Mayuri Asti. Kim Sa Sthalika Asti? This is not a Sthalika, right, Guruji?
This is Chalani.
Yes, yes.
Chalani. Na Sa
Vellani, Guruji.
Sorry, it's Velani. Velani is roller. Okay.
Yes.
Velani. Na Sa
Velani, Lakara.
Velani.
Velani, yeah.
Velani. So na Sa Chalika Nasti, Sa Velani Asti.
Not Chalika, Chalani.
Chalani. So Chalani Asti. Kim
Stalika is here. Stalika here in this here. Stalika is. Stalika means plate.
Stalika, okay.
But it is.
So Velani.
Velani, yes.
Velani.
Stalani is sieve. Velani is roller. Anyway.
Okay, Guruji. Kim Esha Goshala Asti? Na Esha Goshala Nasti, Esha
Ashwashala, you can say.
Sa Ashwashala Asti. Kim Sa Petika Asti? Am Sa Petika Asti.
Next person, Mekalaji. You can read. Mekalaji.
किम् एतद् फलम् अस्ति? न एतद् फलं नास्ति, एतद् पुष्पम् अस्ति। किं तत् वातायनम् अस्ति? न एतद् वातायनं नास्ति, एतद्
Nasti also you can say. Nasti also means nasty only.
Nasti.
Same.
I don't know the word for door.
Which one? Dwaram.
द्वार एतद् द्वारम् अस्ति। किम् एतद् मन्दिरम् अस्ति? न एतद् मन्दिरं नास्ति,
Etat bhavanam asti.
एतद् गृहम् अस्ति। No?
Yeah. Griham or bhavanam, whatever. Yeah.
भवन okay. किं तत् उद्यानम् अस्ति? आम्
Yes. Tat udyanam.
आम् तत् उद्यानम् अस्ति।
Yes.
किम् एतद् आम्रम् अस्ति? आम् एतद् आम्रम् अस्ति। किं तत् कदलीफलम् अस्ति? आम् तत् कदलीफलमस्ति। किम् एतद् उपनेत्रमस्ति? आम् एतद् उपनेत्रमस्ति। किं तत् मुखमस्ति? न तत् मुखं नास्ति। एतद्
नेत्रम
नेत्रम् अस्ति।
उपनेत्रम नेत्रम same.
नेत्रम्. Yes.
Next person. Next person is Manjula ji, can read.
Guruji, Padashukam, Padarkshe.
Etani chitrani dhyanena pashyantu. Okay, look at these pictures. Then what to do then? I think you have to tell the names of this. Okay, first you can identify the names, and then the next, it is connected to the next lesson, I think. We can see that. Yeah.
Guruji, is it Padashukam, Guruji? Pant.
Yeah, it is Urukam.
Urukam. Okay, Guruji. Urukam, Padarakshe, Amram, Panasam, Lata.
Lata.
Lata, I can say.
Lata.
Lata is good. Yes.
Patalam, Nanakam, Churika,
Good.
Ghati, Samadarvi, Velani.
Yes.
I'm not remembering.
Chalani.
Guruji. Chalani, Pushpadhani,
Pushpadhani, flower vase.
Vruksham,
Vriksham.
Vrikshaha, Akarantaha, Pullinga Shabdaha, Vrikshaha. Okay.
Okay, Guruji. Vrikshaha.
Then what is the next one?
I don't know, Guruji.
Shakaha,
What is it?
What is
branch. Is it a branch?
Okay, Shaka, you can say. Shaka,
Shaka. Shaka.
branch of a tree.
Ghata. Ghataha.
Gataha,
Ghataha. Madhumakshika. Yeah, Guruji. This is Madhumakshika.
yes.
Urukam or
Not
Karashukam.
Karashukam.
Karashukam. Parnam.
Yes.
Patram. Mushikaha.
Parnam, leaf, you can
Yeah.
say. Patram also you
Yeah,
can say.
good.
Nothing wrong with that.
Yeah, Parnam correct, Guruji. Next one, Patram.
Yes, yes.
Parnam, Patram. Mushikaha.
Moshakaha.
Mushakaha. Bidalaha. Simhaha.
Yes.
Shunakaha.
Then who is that? Next person is?
Farmer or milkman.
Milk.
A milkman.
Okay.
Milkman, what do we say, Guruji?
Milkman. Okay. So he is
Gosamdar.
It's actually Gopalaka.
actually
Gopalaka.
Gopala, not milkman means I'm just thinking what is a milkman? It's Gopala. Gam palayati iti Gopala. That's all. Gopala. Milkman means Gopala only.
Okay, Guruji.
Or we can say Dugdha.
Dugdam.
Dugdha means milk. So Gopa or Gopala, that is fine. Gopa is fine.
Okay, Guruji.
Go
Gopa.
Dogika also we can say. Go Dogika. But anyway, that words are not required. It's a bit. Gopa is fine. Gopa or Gopala is fine. That is a good one.
Okay, Guruji. Lashunam.
Gam Dogdi iti Go Dogi Go Dugdaha. Go Dogika. Go Dogika. One more word is that. Anyway, you can say Gopala. That is fine. Simple one.
Gopalaha. Lashunam.
Yeah.
And housefly.
Housefly, it is same Makshika only. Madhumakshika is honeybee. Makshika is a fly.
Okay. Patravahakaha.
Patravagakaha, both are okay. Yeah.
Pomegranate.
Pomegranate is,
We know it, but not remembering.
yes,
Yeah.
pomegranate we have seen. It is
Yes.
Ananas.
Dadimam.
dadimum.
Dadimam. Yes. Dadimam.
Yes,
Karashukam.
Karashukam.
Yeah, Guruji.
Yeah. It is Yutakam. I mean, maybe it's a t-shirt.
Yeah, T-shirt. Yutakam.
Okay, anyway, you can say Yutakam, so Karashukam itself, because Karatakam it is full or half. Ardha Karashukam you can say. Half.
Okay, Guruji.
Ardha
Karashukam.
Karashukam. Yes. Be specific. Anyway, next one. Next person. Next person. Kamakshiji. I think you read now, Manjula, right? Yeah. So Kamakshi, you can read. Next one. It's very simple one. Next one. So in the picture, whatever you have seen, whether they are not there or not, you have to say using the Kriyapadam.
Memory.
Astiva nastiva iti.
Pustakam nasti.
Sorry,
Phalam asti.
louder. It's not clear.
Pustakam nasti.
Hmm.
Phalam asti. Kridanakam nasti. Aja nasti. Ashwaha nasti. Dadimam asti.
Okay.
Dvichakrika nasti. Alukam nasti. Amram nasti. Punapurani nasti. Patrasuchi asti. Padaraksha asti. Velani asti. Chalani asti. Mushakaha asti. Samadarvi nasti. वृक्षः अस्ति पत्रवाहकः अस्ति गोपालकः अस्ति सिंहः अस्ति घटी नास्ति लता नास्ति छुरिका नास्ति रूप्यकं नास्ति करांशुकम् अस्ति पादांशुकम् अस्ति आम्रं नास्ति अंकनी नास्ति पनसं नास्ति मक्षिका अस्ति लता नास्ति शाटिका नास्ति व्यजनं नास्ति.
Yes. Next person. The first one. Giriya. Kaha asti question.
Yeah.
Answer will be. Please continue.
Yes, Guru. सः
Kaha asti. Vrikshaha asti.
वृक्षः अस्ति औ स्तः वृक्षौ स्तः के सन्ति पर्वतः अस्ति पर्वतः
It's not clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Please, yeah. You can speak now. You can speak louder also. Others can increase them. Yeah, increase the volume. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
कः अस्ति वृक्षः अस्ति
Yes.
स्तः वृक्षौ स्तः
Yes.
के सन्ति वृक्षाः सन्ति पर्वतः अस्ति पर्वतौ स्तः पर्वताः सन्ति
Yes.
देवालयः अस्ति देवालयौ स्तः देवालयाः सन्ति शुक अस्ति शुकौ स्तः शुकाः सन्ति.
Okay. Next person. Indraji, can you read?
I'll try, sir.
Please do.
वृद्धः अस्ति वृद्धौ स्तः वृद्धाः सन्ति शकटः अस्ति शकटौ स्तः शकटाः सन्ति रथः अस्ति रथौ स्तः रथाः सन्ति दण्डः अस्ति दण्डौ स्तः दण्डाः सन्ति दीपः अस्ति दीपौ स्तः दीपाः दर्पणः अस्ति दर्पणौ स्तः दर्पणाः सन्ति
Good. You can continue this also. I didn't call your name because I just want you to watch first this. Now you're reading, you can read.
का अस्ति शिला अस्ति के स्तः शिले स्तः का सन्ति शिलाः सन्ति
All these are strilinga. Therefore, ka, ke, kaha. Previously was kaga, kau, ke. Now ka, ke, kaha.
मालाः अस्ति माले स्तः
Mala asti. Okay.
माला अस्ति माले स्तः मालाः सन्ति
Yes.
नौका अस्ति नौके
Actually, you have to ask and answer. Anyway, asking is not required.
Both I should say.
It's okay. Like, it will take time. Ka asti, mala asti. Ke staha, male staha. Kaha santi, malaha santi.
माला सन्ति
It is understood. Anyway, you can read.
नौका अस्ति नौके स्तः नौकाः सन्ति कलिका अस्ति कलिके स्तः कलिकाः सन्ति पत्रिका अस्ति पत्रिके स्तः पत्रिकाः सन्ति मशिका अस्ति मशिके स्तः मशिकाः सन्ति पिपीलिका अस्ति पिपीलिके स्तः पिपीलिकाः सन्ति पेटिका अस्ति पेटिके स्तः पेटिकाः अस्ति सन्ति पेटिका अस्ति बालिका अस्ति
Balike staha.
बालिका अस्ति बालिके स्तः बालिकाः अस्ति
Santi.
अजा बालिकाः सन्ति अजा अस्ति अजे स्तः अजाः सन्ति
Okay. Next person. Now, Ram Kumarji, you can do. Number 11 onwards.
11 onwards, right? हाँ.
Ka asti.
का अस्ति शाटिका अस्ति शाटिके स्तः शाटिकाः सन्ति
Shatikaha santi.
शाटिकाः सन्ति का अस्ति वाटिका अस्ति वाटिके स्तः वाटिकाः सन्ति नाटिका अस्ति नाटिके स्तः नाटिकाः सन्ति रोटिका अस्ति रोटिके स्तः रोटिकाः सन्ति लता अस्ति लते स्तः लताः सन्ति
Similarly, yeah. Very specifically is given. So introducing asti staha santi, this kriya padam. But already I introduced this. Asti means is singular. Taha are two things, plural. Sorry, dvivachanam, dual. Santi is plural. So asti staha santi, referring to one, two, or many.
So
All are third person.
Yes, Guruji.
Third person only. Okay. Second person, first person, we will see. All these are third person. Third person is called Pratama Purusha in Sanskrit, referring to that which is neither you nor me, somebody else. Therefore, third person, Pratama Purusha. So, for Pratama Purusha, asti sagastanti. For Madhyama Purusha, for second person, asi staha sta. For Uttama Purusha, it will be asmi svaha smaha. It's going to come, we will introduce. So we have to get used to this.
Okay.
To get used to this, that's why he's introducing. Okay, you please read, continue.
Okay, Guruji. So, का अस्ति लेखनी अस्ति के स्तः लेखन्यौ स्तः का सन्ति लेखन्यः सन्ति Santi.
So it is like Nadi Shabda. Nadi,
Yes.
Nadyo, Nadyaha, Lekani, Lekanyau,
Lekanya.
Lekanyaha.
Yes, Guruji.
So Lekanyaha, when you see, don't mistake that as Lekanya, Akarantaha, Pullingaha, Lekanya Shabdaha, Lekanyaha, Lekanyau, Lekanyaha. No,
Lekanyaha.
not like that. Lekanyaha itself is Bhagavachanam of Lekani Shabda. That you should not mistake for Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Okay, Guruji.
Continue.
Okay. So ka asti, ankani asti, ankanyau stah, ankanyah santi. Dainadanti asti.
Dainandini, calendar, daily calendar.
Dainandini asti. Dainandyau stah, dainandyah santi.
Dainandinyah.
अच्छा दैनन्दिन्यः ओके दैनन्दिन्यः सन्ति नारी अस्ति नार्यौ स्तः नारीः सन्ति
No. Naryah.
नार्यः सन्ति ओके लेखन्य
Nari, Naryau.
नार्यौ नार्यः
Naryostaha, Nadyah Santi.
नार्यः the third one is नार्यः right गुरुजी
Naryah. Yes.
नार्यः सन्ति ओके कर्तरी अस्ति कर्तर्यौ स्तः कर्तर्यः सन्ति नखरञ्जनी
What is Nakaranjani? Naka means nail.
nail cutter
No, Ranjani is coloring. Means
Acha.
nail polish.
Nail polish.
Okay.
Oshtaraha. What is Oshtaraha?
Lipstick, Guruji.
Lipstick. Oshta means lips. Raga is again same. Ranjayati. Oshtaranjani also you can say. That is also same. Oshtaraga, Oshtaranjani, lipstick.
Nakaranjani.
All these things will be useful. You have to
Yes, Guruji, yes.
Okay. Please continue.
Yes, Guruji. Nakaranjani asti. Nakaranjanyau stah. Nakaranjanyah asti.
Santi.
Sorry. Nartaki asti. Nartakyau stah. And Nartakyah stah.
Nartakyah. See. Nadi Shabda, I remember. That is why we chant every class Shabdas. Nadi, Nadyo, Nadyaha. Anyway, today we didn't do Strilinga. Nartaki, Nartakyau, Nartakyah.
Yes. Nartakyah santi. Ghati. Ghati asti. Ghatakyau stah.
Not Ghatakyo. Ghati.
Ghati. Ghatyau Ghatyah. So Ghatyau.
Yes.
Ghatyau stah and Ghatyah santi.
Yes.
Is it correct, Guruji? Ghatyah santi, right?
Yes.
Bhagini asti. Bhaganyau stah and Bhaginyah santi. So Chalani asti. Chalanyau stah. Chalanyah santi.
Next person. Mycology. Now Napumsakalinga. Therefore, question is different. Yes.
Kim asti yatha pustakam asti. Ke staha pustake staha. Kani santi pustakani santi. Phalam asti phale staha phalani santi. Pushpam asti pushpake staha pushpakani santi. Patram asti.
Pushpa is that. Pushpa will become Pushpe only, not Pushpake.
Pushpe. Sorry. Pushpam asti pushpe staha pushpani santi. Patram asti patre staha patrani santi. Trishulam asti trishule staha trishulani santi. Netram asti netre staha netrani santi. Ushnisham asti Ushnisham asti.
What is Ushnisham?
Heating. Something
Heater?
to do with heat. Heating.
Heater, Guruji.
Heater. Yeah. It is. Ushna means
Heat.
means hot, right? Ushna Shabda, and also Ushna is Visheshana. Okay, so Ushnisha. So it means Ushnisha. Ushna means hot, but here Ushnisha, the meaning is different. That hot meaning will not come here. Ushnisha means it is this chuda. It is the chuda. It is the crown. That is called Ushnisha.
Oh,
Ushna alone means hot, but
okay.
Ushnisha, the meaning is different.
Oh, the bun, is it?
Sorry? The
The bun
crown.
which they wear on the hair?
Crown, that
No,
is
crown.
chuda. Vivek, the chudamani, that is called. That is turban or crown, you can
Oh,
say.
chudamani. Okay.
The crown, what do you call this crown? This
Freedom.
freedom, yeah, that's what doesn't come to the name. Krida, so Vishnisham. Okay.
Sorry, Ushnisha means final opposite.
Is
Crown.
it
Crown.
Kiritam?
From the very
Kiritam.
beginning itself, it
Kireetam.
is Kridam only.
Kiritam. Yeah. Crown.
Crown.
Ushnisham asti.
It can, the Ushna, the word can mislead, but Ushna alone means hot, but here Ushnisha means
Hmm.
it's a crown. Okay, continue.
Ushnisham asti. Ushnishe staha. Ushninani santi. Vimanam asti.
Ushnisham, Ushnishe, Ushnisha,
Ushnishani.
Ushnishani, yes.
Yes. Vimanam asti. Vimane staha. Vimanani santi. Vyajanam asti. Vyajane staha. Vyajanani santi. Simhasanam asti. Simhasine staha. Simhasinani santi. Kamalam asti. Kamale staha.
Simhasanani,
Kamalani santi. Simhasanani santi.
yes.
Kamalam asti. Kamale staha. Kamalani santi. Chakram asti. Chakre staha. Chakrani santi. Rupyakam asti. Rupyake staha. Rupyakani santi. Chitram asti. Chitre staha. Chitrani santi.
Yes. See, this one more word, not here. This flask, the thermos flask is that, right, which keeps the hot thing hot. So that is also Ushna, but Ushna Rakshaka it is.
Mm.
You may think Ushnisha could be that, the flask, but that is Ushna Rakshaka. Or flask in general, it is called Kupi. Kupi is called a flask. Kupa means bottle or flask. It's called Kupi. Kupa means well.
Guruji, ka. Is it ka?
No, not ka. Kupi.
Kupi.
Kupa is well. Kupi
Oh,
is
yeah. Okay.
bottle or flask. And Ushna Rakshaka, or you can say Ushna Rakshaka. Yeah, Ushna Rakshaka only. It means flask, thermos flask. Ushnam Rakshati, which keeps the hot thing hot. Therefore, Ushna Rakshaka. Now, the next one, next person. Here you have to fill in the blank with the appropriate Kriya Padam. Simple one. Manjula ji.
Guruji. Chhatraha santi.
Yes.
Balike staha. Pushpani.
Santi.
Pushpani santi.
You have to
Phalam
spot the
asti.
noun, what Vachanam is.
Yeah, Guruji.
And also, Vachanam is one. Here, Kriya Padam is, doesn't depend on the gender. Whatever
Gender.
may be the gender. Manjula, you can keep the mic. Who is reading now? Meklaj. You can unmute. Others, Manjula, you can keep your mic in mute.
No, I am reading Guruji. Manjula.
You are reading, but your mic is
Yeah.
creating problem. You see, some noise
Yeah,
is
there
at
is-
your side.
Yeah, okay, Guruji.
That's why, see, the where your laptop is there, if you shake, then that noise also can be heard. Even if you just turn your pages of the book, the noise can be heard. You can see now, here can hear the noise.
Okay, Guruji. Alam asti. Gruham asti.
So I was saying, okay, this Kriya Padam doesn't depend on the gender, whatever may be the gender, doesn't matter. Only the vachanam is matters. So vachanam you have to see. What noise is there, Vajraji, your side?
Is it fan sound, Guruji?
Something.
Laugh.
Yes, some sound is there.
Okay.
Fan or so don't place anything which on the table where you are keeping on laptop or something. And don't shake the table.
Yeah, Guruji.
Yeah, continue.
Phalam asti, gruham asti, madhumakshika asti, chatakaha santi, mayuraha santi, tarunyau staha.
1 minute, I'm not able to move the page. Yeah. Continue.
Guruji. Asandaha santi, yetau chatrau staha.
Staha.
स्तः तौ अध्यापकौ स्तः ताः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति सन्ति सः वृद्धः अस्ति एतानि पर्णानि सन्ति.
The next person, Kamakshi, you can read the next one. 16
एतौ
onwards.
वानरौ स्तः तौ भकौ स्तः एतानि आम्राणि सन्ति एषः तरुणः अस्ति पेटिका अस्ति वृक्षौ स्तः बीजम् अस्ति दण्डाः सन्ति काष्ठानि सन्ति वस्त्रम् अस्ति सिंहौ स्तः दर्व्यः सन्ति.
What is Darvyaha?
Ladle.
Yeah. Darvi. Ikaranta Shabda. Okay.
एताः अध्यापिकाः सन्ति एते सज्जनाः सन्ति तौ वैद्यौ स्तः.
Good. So this is what we have seen so far. It's just summarizing. And we are, in fact, we have seen more than what is showing here. All the pronouns, vibhakti, and the kriya padam asti stha santi, we have seen. So sakataute, tam tautan, I mean satetaha, tattetani, all those things and all the genders we have seen. Okay. Further it continues. I think we will stop here. 38 we will do. We will do in the next class. So you please memorize these Rama Shabda, Hari Shabda and Guru Shabda. And from the first Sanskrita Patanam volume 1 is there. From that lot of Shabdas are there. You take the Shabda and practice. Asti Saga Santi and these Shabdas. Only this much. Be familiar with the usage. And we will continue. We'll continue in the next class. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Yes.
Guruji, we are all doing now at the moment Pradama Purusha, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guruji, where can
Yes.
I find this PDF?
This PDF I have shared in the OneDrive link, which I sent to the group long back. Someone can share the link.
No, Guruji, actually we are not finding that one. Please share once again, Guruji.
Okay, I'll share the link.
Yes, and also meaning of words, please.
Meaning of?
Various words, various fruits and, tailor and so on and so forth. I have only very few of them. I don't have. I have book 2, I think, Sulabha Sanskritam Patanam 2. But it doesn't have many of the words.
It will have some other words, not the same words. Here, whatever new words come, I'm telling you the
No.
meaning. So that is the only thing. You have to note the meaning when I say. If you have any specific word which you don't know, you ask me, I'll tell you.
Guruji, what is Lavitram, Guruji?
What is?
Lavitram.
Lavitram.
Yeah.
Lavitram See, tram, if it is ends with, you can guess it is a tool, an instrument. Okay.
Okay.
Kanitram means that by which you dig. Kanitram.
Yeah, Guruji.
Lavitram is it's called this sickle. What do you call sickle? You know what is sickle? English it is called sickle.
Telugu it is called Kodavali,
Huh?
Guruji.
Huh?
Telugu it is Kodavali.
Kodali.
Okay.
Kodali,
Oh.
right? That's called sickle. In Tamil we call Kodali.
Sickle is Aruvai.
Kodali, correct.
Sickle.
Yeah, okay, Guruji.
That's called Lavitram. So it is also a sort of Kanitram only. Can call Kanitram or Lavitram. Both are okay.
Okay.
Yeah, it is used for not Lavitram. Lavitram is not Kodali.
It's Aruvai.
It is for cutting, for trimming they use. Pruning. The pruning tool is called Lavitram. Okay.
Okay, Guruji.
Not this Kodali. Kodali, I said wrongly in Tamil. Okay. It's called the pruning tool.
Pruning tool.
That is which is used for cutting the leaves,
Okay, Guruji.
shaping the trees. It's called Lavitram.
English they call it sikacha.
Sorry?
In English they call it sikacha.
Again?
Sikacha.
In English,
Trimmer, Guruji. Trimmer, is it?
sickle, right? Sikke?
Sickle is Aruvai. No.
Yeah. Yes.
Correct,
Okay.
trimmer only. That's a trimmer, right?
Yeah, trimmer.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
Okay.
Guruji,
Thank you.
Yeah.
nothing to do with
Sorry?
Sanskrit. Nothing to do with Sanskrit class. Just a very just a inquisitive question about Kurtala Peetham. Recently, I have come across about Kurtala Peetham, Tamil Nadu, Mauna Muni.
Your voice is not clear. Again?
I've recently come across this Kurtala Peetham in Tamil Nadu and Mauna Muni. Would you know anything about that? Have you been to that place?
Kuttala Peetham, Maunamani. No, I don't know.
This is from Tamil Nadu, I believe.
No, I don't know.
I don't know where it is, but some literature thing I was getting on Facebook. That's where I read about.
Just forward it to me. I'll see what it is.
Yeah. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's all. Thank you.
Oh, you